Hey, how's it going, Miss Amy? So I noticed that there was also a video journal number 7 for sales that I missed as well. So I was going to give a shot submitting that one as well. My apologies again for the lateness, but anyway, let's give it a shot. So it says we have discussed choosing a client during class and what type of a client to look for when choosing. And the general parameters of the project, you should by this point have a short list or have chosen a client. Please give me an update on your progress with choosing a client for Project 3. And so when we chose the Project 3, we were moving out, when we moved into Project 3, we were moving out of Project 2. Project 2 was compiling all that list of shit that was just really, really, really arduous and monotonous and tedious. And so I was actually looking forward. I feel like Project 3 could have come about, thinking about what I was thinking about back then. Project 3 could have come about a lot quicker. I was really looking forward to just going ahead and getting the pitch out, getting it done, because I already had some thoughts about it, and I was tired of ruminating, over what they were for so long, because I knew what the client was, like always definitely going back to Project 2. I knew who it was going to be. So I was definitely, it's not necessarily there's any concerns in that statement, but that's definitely what I was thinking. And so you said, please address any concerns or support or classroom discussion, and give me an update on your progress with choosing a client. So if I were to give you an update at that time on what I was thinking as far as my client pitch was just going to be that they should just move from the the side paneling on their van to maybe some ads on the radio. That was my pitch then. But then, as I realized how stressful a follow-up interview with the owner, I realized how stressful it was. You know, as I did in my sales pitch, I realized how stressful her day was trying to compile all these customers from far outer reaches of the triad, how stressful that could be. I was just like, I think a much better way to sell it would be to incorporate that, because that seems like it was applying an aspect of emotional intelligence in there, anticipating a need that she had. And so that would have been an update that came to me right around the time of Project 3. So anyway, that would wrap up um, the discussion on video journal number 7 for broadcast sales. Thanks, Miss Amy.